After Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore and Delhi meetup, it's time for Mumbai. So finally we are having a Mumbai meetup, and that too a proper meetup, where we can talk about some topic, we can have some fun. Okay, when I say topic, we will be talking about how to make a career in IT. We'll talk about new technologies like AI, blockchain, and then we can discuss what is a proper technology you can go for. Okay, so where is the meetup? So meetup will be held in KJ Somaiya College. So you can just go to Google and search for the college. People who live in Mumbai, they know about this college, right? Somaiya College is very famous. So the meetup will be held during the event of their college. So the event name is Icon, where they have multiple events of technical management. So we will be having some time slot there. So the meetup will be held on 22nd February. The timing is not yet fixed. Again, we have to fill up a form. So in the description area, you will find a form. Fill up that form. Where you have to enter your name, your location, and the time slot where you are available. So depending upon the maximum registration, depending upon the maximum time slot selected, we'll be having that time slot. So again, date is fixed. It is 22nd February. Location is fixed, which is KJ Somaiya. The time is not fixed yet. For that, you have to register. So once you have registered, you will receive an official mail. So if you are receiving the mail, then only you will be eligible to attend the meetup. So it will be exciting because we are going next step in the meetups. So it's not just about meetup, it's more about having a session. So make sure you check description area where you can find about the events of the college, where we can talk, where you will get the address of the college and the registration link. So I hope you are excited for Mumbai meetup, and see you there.